Hi guys, I'm going to show you guys how to change out the pickup assembly, which they call the speed sensor. And the way it looks, when you try to replace it on the top, you're not going to have enough room. So as you can see, with all these blocking and the speed sensor, it's right down there. So it's going to be harder for you to take it out from the top. So what you want to do is you want to do it from the bottom side. So if you go to the bottom and take out one of your front driver's side tire, and if you come down, you're going to have a better view. And the speed sensor, let me give you guys a better view here. So the speed sensor is right there where I'm pointing at, and the screws is right there. So you get a better view from the bottom and easier access to do the jobs. And those takes a 10mm socket. So the trick to these is you want to take the screw out first and then push and then squeeze it out, so that way you have more room to squeeze it out because it's all loose. So that's a better way to replace these. And I hope this video helped you guys, and thanks for watching.